Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I will be introducing yet another new launch in the subscription box market. It's a beauty, makeup and accessory subscription box named as the Dazzle box. It has two variants actually, the Teeny Weeny box for Rs 750 which will contain products worth Rs 1800 as per their claims, and the Splendor box is priced at 1450 rupees which is supposed to contain products worth 2600. I have bought the Teeny Weeny box to try out this month. I also have a coupon code for you guys using which you can get a 10% discount on both Teeny Weeny and Splendor box. The coupon code with the link to buy the box will be mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check that out if you're interested in buying. So without any further delay, let's start with our unboxing and review. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So that is how the box has arrived. I have not opened it as always. So that is how the box is. I must say that the packaging is very attractive and commendable. I really like this mesh blue cover they have. The box is a little damaged, but hopefully the products won't be. Let's keep it here and keep the products on that. They have their brand logo mentioned here. Inside we have a card inside an envelope. So that is really nice. And a lot of cutouts of newspaper. So that is the bundle of my products. The first product which is attracting me is this heart-shaped handmade soap from Organic. There is nothing mentioned about the pricing and all, and the fragrance is really nice too, and it does look really pretty. And we know that Organic is a really good brand. The next product is a nail paint from Avalon. It's the Velvet Matte Nail Color worth 65 rupees and a 10 ml product. I think it is a matte nail paint because if you see the packaging, it has the packaging of matte nail paints. So I'm really happy to receive a matte nail paint. The color is a pretty pinkish red color. So yeah, I like this product. And then there is a product from Fuchsia. It's really nice to include Fuchsia. And this is the anti-hair fall serum. It is a 30 ml product. And the cost of this product is 1250 rupees. I'm so happy to have received something for hair fall as I'm actually having a lot of hair fall recently. And I think with this product the box just got worth for me. Everything else is just going to be a bonus. Nevertheless, we need to find out if it's worth for everybody or not. So moving on to the next product. So we have a neem face wash from Valinta. This is for pimple care. In the ingredients they have tea tree oil and aloe vera, glycerin, a lot of stuff. It's a 70-gram product and I think a good product for those of you having acne issues. I used to use acne face washes in my teens when I had serious acne issues, but now I guess I'll just use it around my cycles or while traveling because that's usually when I break out. But yeah, I always do keep a neem face wash at home for the time I am breaking out. Then there is a shimmer or glitter from Just Gold. And this is how the shimmer is. I don't want to open it because it is going to fall upon everything I have here. But this can be used with nail art or your eye makeup. And the color is really pretty. It's a very good turquoise blue color. So it's the usual glitter or shimmer we use in makeup. Then we have 3 pieces of jewelry. So this is the first pair of jhumkis. It has these threads around it and it's really pretty. They're red in color and it's really eye-catching. Then we have this piece in golden color with turquoise color beads. The quality of the jewelry is not that good. I can't say it's the best or premium quality. It's the ones you can get in street shopping for a lesser amount. And the last pair is this plain golden mesh one, and I think this is the most classy out of all, but this is again not a very good quality. This is kind of plasticky and very lightweight. but it would look decent for daily use. Then the last product is this Choco Coffee Facial Kit from Valinta, and it says here paraben free. This is a 80-gram product and it contains all these things. It has a face cleanser, a face scrub, a face cream, a face gel and a face pack, and it says in detail all the procedure you need to follow to have this facial at home. The cost of this product is 210 rupees. So yeah, a good product, I'd say, definitely a good product. One, we have a bill. Here we have info card. So we already read the hair serum price. The organic handmade rose soap is for 250 rupees for 100 grams. Valinta face wash was for 55 rupees. The eye glitter is for 60 rupees. The fashion earrings are for 50 and 100. As I told, they are like the street shopping earrings, but it's really good that she has not increased the prices and mentioned the same here. The Avalon Velvet Matte Nail Polish is for 65. The handmade Jhumka and Chocolate Coffee Facial Kit is for rupees 400. So this is for 210, so this is supposed to be for 190 rupees. So that is a little on the pricier side. That is the free gift for our first 30 customers. And we have another note here, and it's handwritten and it's really pretty. And she has written, "Thank you for being a part of Dazzlebox family and booking the Dazzle Teeny Weeny box. I have started the subscription box service for lovely people like you. I have handpicked all the products myself from brands and market. I hope that you will like the products and will also like using them." And then she is welcoming any suggestion and feedback and wants us to enjoy the products. Her name is Dipali and this is a really nice handwritten note, so I am going to keep that somewhere here. So these were all the products inside my teeny weeny Dazzle box. Now, whether the products are worth more than 1800 rupees? Definitely yes. Nothing is overpriced, including the free bonus products. For the first 30 customers, I think it might go above 2000 as well. But the star product remains the Fuchsia Anti-Hair Fall Serum. All the other products were nice and useful apart from the earrings for me, because I did not like them much, to be honest, and the glitter as well. But I really liked the soap, the nail paint, the face wash and the facial kit. So if you're thinking to buy a hair serum sometime soon, definitely get the Dazzle box instead. You will get so many other products for free with that. And this hair serum is there in the Splendor Box variant as well. So if you have a bigger budget, you can try that too. It will definitely have better and more number of products than this. It has a lipstick as well. So coming to my opinion, yes, I totally like the box. I think it's a good box with a nice mix of different kind of products. The only suggestion I would like to give her is improve the quality of the jewelry. But apart from that, the packaging, the products, everything is really nice. Considering this is just their first box. We have all full-size products and I'm actually looking forward to trying out most of them. So I think I'll give a big thumbs up to this new launch and hope we get more awesome products next time. So I'll leave you guys to decide for yourself. Anyways, I'll help you out with the best of my recommendations in my Clash of Subscriptions video. So do let me know if you liked discovering a new subscription today and your opinion on it in the description box below. If you liked watching this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it a lot. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.